What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're tearing into a new package from Westside to check out a dark green quarter-zip T-shirt from their West collection. Right out of the bag, checking out the tags, you can immediately feel that the overall quality is noticeably better than standard tees. For this piece, I grabbed a size medium. Testing the hardware, the front quarter-zip is actually a little bit shorter than I expected it to be, but it doesn't compromise the sharp look at all. The collar features a really solid medium stretch that feels super durable. Now, looking closely at the texture, the fabric itself is a little bit thick. I actually tested this by wearing it for more than 4 hours straight in 35-degree heat, and honestly, it didn't cause me much trouble at all. Plus, there is zero color fade after washing, and the material easily holds its shape. Alright, let's check the fit on camera. For reference, I'm 5'11" with an 18.5 shoulder and a 38 chest. As you can see, this size medium fits absolutely perfectly. It really shapes the body and highlights muscle definition, giving a clean, tailored look around the chest and arms. Even after wearing it for a long duration, I noticed absolutely no sagging. It just stays crisp and comfortable all day long. The dark green is super versatile,